Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. Alright, just want to make sure this thing is working. I need you guys to subscribe to the channel. Coming to you today with another modification video. Headed to the shop now. I'll pick you guys up once I get to the shop. Let's go. Alright fam, back at the shop to finish up this mods. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. Yep, let's go take a look.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys.
Alright fam, got the mods complete, as you can see. Got the wicker bell done. The red diffuser is done. Leave a comment, tell me what you think about the red diffuser. This is a bolt-on kit. Was able to keep my original red diffuser. I used the bolt-on kit for the fins. Wicker bell, I'll put the stuff down in the description what I use as far as where I got the fins and the wicker bell. So, you know, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about the bolt-on kit for the rear diffuser. I thought they were a little more aggressive than the standard buying a whole one-piece diffuser. So, if this is your first time on my channel, hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. Until the next video, I'm out. Peace.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.